It's really warm, it's like nearly 40 degrees and I have to wear in this. What should I do? Like, shaking? Like that. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. And today, wait 1 second. It's just, I just want to make it like in the theme when it's like 20, not 20, just like 40 degrees in Thailand. It's like, it's too warm. But because today's video is going to be full face of frozen makeup challenge, because I saw, like I said, I saw Gem Chow's, another YouTuber, do it, and I want to do it too. So let's jump right to the video. I know that I look disgusting. I know that I look like a homeless, but this is real me. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. And yes, I got all of my makeup here, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. Right, let's put them in the freezer. Good night.
The next day.
I like to start with my eye first. I'm going to use this bad boy, which is M.A.C paint pot. Oh god, it's like, oh, I hope that you can see it. I think it's some product coming through. Right, then I'm going to do my waterline. So basically, this doesn't have any problem with me. Any texture, anything, I can use it. So we'll see. I'm going to use the, it's just eyeliner pencil for my waterline in black. No problem with my eyeliner and eye primer, which is M.A.C paint pot. So moving on to eyeshadow, and today I'm going to use these palettes from Carmi, collaborate with Makeup Collaboration, and as you can see, it's like still, you know, let's open inside. I literally just bring it out. Blend everything. I'm going to use this colour, which is Honesty. I love the name of it. Not sure how well you can see, but it's going to be like a fancy theme today with frozen makeup. Because of the yellow colour is not showing up a lot, so it's showing up but it's not like what I want. So I'm going to put this green colour, is called Intensity. Then I'm going back to Self-Made again. I want to put some more colour. Then I'm going to use Undermine Spell, this one with my finger. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow. Wow. Colour still coming up. Not much fallout in the palettes as well. That's good. Okay, use a Self-Made in waterline as well. Not waterline, under eyes. For eyeliner, again, I'm going to use like a normal things that I often use, which is Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. Hopefully something coming through. Okay, not bad. For the mascara, I'm going to use Revlon and M.A.C. Another mascara from Royal Paradise. This one completely dry. Oh dear. Well, nothing coming through. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use this one, which is, oh dear, oh god, Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. Right, oh god. Oh god, can you see that? Oh dear. Okay, that is a product that I got, and look at that. Hope that you can see. Okay, this one face. Okay. It's like completely like oil, not like cream texture like I normally use. So then for my foundation, again it's Fit Me foundation in number 228. Okay. Okay. Wow, I'm impressed. For not going to like anything coming through. Like I said in Thailand, it's too warm. Okay. Wow. Ooh. I like it. I like the how it feels. It's like it's a little bit cooler than normal, which I love. But well, that primer make my face look so oily. But it's like, can you hear that? Can you hear that? I hope that you can hear that, but it's like a little bit harder than normal. For my concealer will be Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in number 25. Okay, okay. Is it brighter than normal? Well, this is like a regular concealer for me. Yeah, definitely like a little bit brighter. Then of course for my contour stick, oh sorry, oh god. This is Fenty Beauty contour stick. Okay, it still work. Oh, I like, oh. I put too much. Okay, fix that. Okay. Then I will follow up with Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. Sorry, it's like everywhere. So I'm going to finish eyebrow off camera because I, first of all, didn't have anything new and I forget it to put in the freezer, so sorry about that. I've got my eyebrows now, so next step will be contour and highlight. I'm going to use L'Evolution Roxy Collaborate with Revolution, as always. It seems like quite normal, as you can see. Like I said, 40 degrees. For my brush, I'm going to use Clinique Cheek Pop in Colour Pop number 7. Okay. It's work. I mean, it doesn't have any problem. For my lipstick will be M.A.C in Matte velvet teddy. Doesn't have any problem with that. And that is full face using frozen makeup challenge. I really like it basically, and that is because I am in a really warm country, I guess. I know that not a lot of people like it, but I really like it. This is my personal it. And most of products is fine, apart of concealer that it gets a little bit brighter, but that's okay, because normally that concealer shade it going to melt into my skin. It look exactly the same like my skin shade. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate that. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That would support my channel a lot. So yes, it's the time to say goodbye and see you next video. Bye!